Hello guys, today's question is find the five numbers. Consider five numbers A, B, C, D and E, where A, B, C, D are in ascending orders. Given the sum of all the possible two numbers combination in the ascending order, write a C program to find numbers A, B, C, D and E. That is, if the sum of all the possible two numbers combination is 110, 112, 113, 114, 115 and so on till 121. Then the numbers are 54, 56, 58, 59 and 62. So basically there will be 10 numbers given to us. We have to find the combination of such numbers, such five numbers, such that they will form this whole list, okay? Like 110, 112, 113 and so on. So the input format is first line contains 10 numbers separated by space representing the sum of possible two number combination in ascending order. Print the values, and the output format is print the value of A, B, C, D and E separated by a space. Okay, so first of all, let's take the input as per the given condition. So let's name the list where the numbers, these 10 numbers will be stored. Okay, this 10 number will be stored. Let's name the list, and I hope you know this, how we take the input of numbers in a list. Okay, now what is the basic logic behind this? Okay, so you can see here that 10 combination that can be formed will be this, like as A is the smallest number and B is the second smallest number, the minimum sum can be A plus B, and as E is the largest number and D is the second largest number, the maximum that can be formed is D plus E. Okay, so here A plus B index is 0, 0th index, and D plus its index is 9th index of the list. Okay, so first of all what we will do is we will store this value into two variables. So let's store this value. Okay, we have stored this value. Now we can see here that what we are finding when we are adding this whole list, we will get 4a plus 4 times, we will get 4 times a plus b plus c plus d plus e equals to x. Okay, let's consider this as 110, 112, 113, 114 and so on. We are finding sum of this and we are taking it as x, and we can see here that a plus b plus c plus d plus e, we are getting it as x by 4. So we have to find something such that we can get this output format. Okay, so for this we have to find first of all the sum of the whole list. Okay, for that we will initialize with a sum equals to 0 for I in use list. This way you can find the sum, and now what we will do, we will divide it by 4. Okay, now what we are doing here, a plus b plus c plus d is x by 4. Okay, x is the sum. Now we can see here from this that a plus b is the minimum sum, that is first index of the list which we are providing. First index of the list which we are getting from the user. Okay, So a plus b is the first index and b plus is the maximum value which we are getting from the user. Okay, so we know these two, a plus b and d plus e. Okay, so hence you can find c from here, that is c equals to x by 4 minus a plus b plus d plus e. Okay, so first of all let's find c. So c equals to int sum minus first use is the minimum sum, that is minimum value, and minus last use is the maximum value. Okay, so we are getting c from here. So what is the minimum and maximum value? You can see from here that 110, 112, 113, 114, 115 till 121. The minimum value is 110, which will be formed by a plus b, right? As a is the least number and b is the second least number. Hence the minimum sum which we can get is a plus b. And 121 is the largest, as d e is the largest number and d is the second largest number. Okay. Hence we find c. Now we can see here that from this table, uh, a plus b, a plus b, a plus c, a plus d, a plus e, b plus c. We need to find a, b, d, e. Okay. So we can see here we can easily find a by subtracting c from index 1. Hence we will find a equals to int use list 1, that is the index 1, minus c. Similarly we can find b. What is b? B is b, a plus b minus a. Okay, so 0th index minus a. Okay, so b is int use list 0th index minus a. Similarly e is int use list index 8 minus c. You can see from here also 8th index is this. Okay, and we know c and we have to just find e, so we can subtract the 8th index from c, we will get e. Okay, and d in a similar way we will get minus c. Okay, now we'll simply print a b c d and d. Okay, so let's check our output. So it has passed all the test cases. So let me explain the code again. First of all, we are taking the input from the user, that what all numbers he wants to give. Then we are initializing the first minimum sum of two numbers, that is at index 0, and the maximum, that is at index 9. We will get from index 9, right? As I showed you from here. The maximum is d plus e and the minimum is a plus b. Okay. So now we are simply finding the sum using a for loop. Then we are dividing the sum by 4, as I showed you here why we are doing this. Then we are finding c, and with the help of c we are finding the other number also, and hence we are printing this with a space in between. Okay, this is the syntax for printing the numbers in a line in a space with a space, okay, and the variables should be same as we are declaring above here, okay. So I hope you understood the question. Thank you. So this is the code in C++. The procedure is almost same, so you can check this also, okay. Thank you.